Convert MOV to MP4 and enhance video instantly with Adobe Express. Looking for a fast way to convert your MOV files to MP4? In this video, I will show you how to use a free online MOV to MP4 converter that also lets you trim, enhance and download in seconds. No software or editing skills needed. Hey everyone, I am Sawad, a photographer and a content creator, and today I am going to show you how to use Adobe Express as your go-to video converter to MP4, straight from your browser. This tool doesn't just convert video to MP4. It also lets you make basic edits like trimming the video, adjusting brightness, contrast and color all in one place. Let's get started. Go to express.adobe.com and log in or sign up for free. On the home page, choose video and then convert to MP4. Click upload your content and select your .mov or .avi file. Yes, it works as an AVI to MP4 converter too. Once uploaded, the video opens inside the editor. If you want to trim the beginning or end, just drag the handles in the timeline. Super simple. To fine-tune the look, click the adjustments panel. You will be able to control brightness, contrast, saturation and more. This is perfect if your video looks too dark or needs a color boost. You can also resize the video with one click. Pick Instagram Reel, YouTube or Square format, ideal for social posting. When you are done, hit download and Adobe Express instantly converts and saves it as an MP4. Just a clean, fast MP4 converter online that actually works. Let's say you shot a product video on your iPhone. It's in MOV format, too dark and too long. With this tool, you can trim it, adjust the brightness and convert it to MP4. Your sales team captured a walkthrough of your new office on an iPhone to share with partners. But the file is in MOV format and it won't play properly on the devices. With this tool, you can convert it to MP4 instantly, so it works everywhere hassle-free. So if you are searching for a way to convert video to MP4 or need a MOV to MP4 converter that doubles as a simple editor, Adobe Express has you covered. Try Adobe Express now. Website link is in the caption. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.